When I found out I was pregnant for the third time, I was shocked, honestly, but more so I was scared. I was afraid of what my mental state would be like in the postpartum phase, which is why I'm honored to be sponsored by BetterHelp in today's video. Connecting with a licensed therapist has never been easier. I wish I would have known about BetterHelp when I had my daughter, and I wish I would have known I needed help sooner. Then maybe I wouldn't have suffered in silence for as long as I did. With BetterHelp, therapy sessions can be a phone call, a video chat, or even messaging, whichever is most comfortable for you. With over 30,000 therapists in their network, there's a wider range of expertise available to you. If your first match doesn't feel like the right fit, hey, no hard feelings. You can easily switch to a new therapist at no additional cost. This time around, I am thankfully more informed and better prepared to try and steer away from feeling like there's something interfering with my happiness. If you've been around for a while, you know that physical health is important to me, but mental health is just as important. So we need to prioritize it just as much. Over 4 million people have used BetterHelp to live a healthier, happier life. So if you think you might benefit from therapy, consider BetterHelp. Get 10% off your first month using my link down in the description. Again, thank you to BetterHelp for helping us support our mental health.